From a young age, I've been quite, conscious about the environment. Over the past maybe 30 years or something, we've really accelerated the destruction of the environment. So what is essentially happening is that because of all the environmental pollution and so on, our health is getting affected. So our family wanted a house that would be totally environment friendly and low cost also. Hi, I'm Das. I'm a mechanical engineer. What you see here is a house that we built about 10 years ago. So what we've done is used a lot of reuse and reduce principles in building this house. The wood that you see around here is all pine wood from packing cases. In the toilets we've used commodes and wash basins and pipe fitting, and the glass is mostly from demolished buildings. That's part of the reuse. There's a lot of reduce. There's not a single tile in the house. The flooring is all plain cement, and we have a roof that is made out of corrugated bamboo sheet. We have, of course, rainwater harvesting. We have grey water harvesting. My vehicle has been a bicycle for the past 20 years. My office is in Jayanagar, that's 13 kilometers away. So every day it's 26 kilometers on the bicycle. Apart from that, I use public transport. This house took us about 7 months to build. Roughly took about 1/3 of the time and 1/3 of the cost also. This is not traditional technology. We had to find out new ways of building the same thing. So like they say in environment-friendly living, you've got the 3 R's: reuse, reduce and recycle. We've got a 4th R, which is a lot of rethink.